Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma today flagged off the 20 prime agriculture response vehicles at MAMETI, Upper Shillong in the presence of Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department, Secretary Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department, Isawanda Laloo and officials from the Agriculture Department. The scheme is intended to bridge the transportation gaps for rural population while also providing livelihood opportunities to them. The keys of all the 20 vehicles were handed to different integrated village cooperative societies from Khasi and Jaintia Hills. A number of agriculture farming applications that include crop sap or crop pest surveillance and advisory project, a collection of web and mobile application for crop sap management system, horticulture web MIS application for managing daily activities such as sale, farmers training, sales generation and receipts reports, and managing availability of stocks. The Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board or MEGSAMB and the MAMETI website were launched during the occasion. Speaking during the launch, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma commended the Agriculture Department that has in the last few years with better technology and improved infrastructure given a growth structure and support system to farmers, thereby increasing their income. Highlighting the employability aspect of agriculture and food sector, the Chief Minister said that around 50,000 youth enter the workforce every year in the state, and while roughly around 3,000 are absorbed in the government sector, the rest have to seek employment in the private sector.
One, two, and three.
Now, this marks the official launch of this Prime Agriculture Response Vehicle Scheme.
To the farmer benefit have been initiated by this government, and we have seen that and heard from so many of our friends who have spoken on how there has been a transformation and how the overall farming sector has started to change. The farmers are slowly starting to get the benefit, and slowly and steadily we are seeing many areas and many sectors within the farming sector grow and farmers getting a large amount of benefit. Another important aspect of agriculture and farming is also to remember that the agriculture sector creates a large amount of employment for us. Just to give you a few numbers, Meghalaya, according to its demographic, almost every year there are close to 50,000 youth that join the workforce every year. Based on our birth rate, sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower, but on an average, 50,000 new boys and girls are joining the workforce every year.